In terms of technology, I think we're always looking to grow, automate as many processes as possible, looking to streamline the process and take it from end to end with as little interfaces as possible, basically a one-to-one system, or at least so our clients don't see anything on the backside.
So now our focus is more on how can we have a better client experience, the speed of delivery, and also have to manage the ever-increasing regulatory burden that's coming down the pipe.
Our strategies to combat the issues of today are working with Finastra to basically get our deliveries, our channels of delivery, streamlined and out to the client. We're continuing to work with the single delivery channel. I think getting it to the market quickly is a key piece to that. We can't drag our feet. We have to get it out there, and the client expects it, so we have to give them what they expect.
A big catalyst for us in going with Finastra at the time was to have integrated systems that could go from end to end. When we were making the decision to go with Finastra, the one thing that stood out was kind of the completeness of the tools. We're using it for loan application management and approval process, as well as for our credit files, which are now all online. So having kind of like a complete package was really important to us when we were making our decision, not only with the loan documentation support piece, but with the financial analyzer. We use the rating manager tool as well. Brought in a lot of consistency in our analysis and financial calculations. And commercial lending benefited hugely with the workflow, which is my personal thing I like the best is the workflow management, seeing the routing and the approvals, the archiving, and I'm kind of a nerd, so I like the financial analyzer aspect a lot. But that as well has really cut down the processing time so that we're now closing small business loans within a 24-hour turnaround period, which is pretty awesome. How we feel the effect of the speed in the process has really been in client satisfaction and amazement, quite frankly. You know, we work in a lot of small towns, and to have a client come in and be able to apply for a loan and close it same day or the day after, getting a centralized decision from our home office back to the branch has been hugely beneficial. So it's been more of a client satisfaction piece. It brought a lot of efficiency into the back office as well. So by utilizing these tools, we're able to reduce our workforce handling the back office of loan transactions by 20%, while handling pretty intense loan growth that's continued to this day without having to replace those staff. Our cost per transaction has gone down quite a bit. Depending on which product you're talking about, you know, it's anywhere from 30 to, in some cases, up to 50%, just in not only the better use of the systems, but as well as the process changes these systems drove when we went through the implementation process. We've built a pretty good foundation with the tools we have, and now we're relying upon Finastra to help us take them to the next level. Because we're not an IT shop, and we're never going to be an IT shop. You know, so we're relying on our partnership with Finastra to take our products and move them up to the next level as the industry moves forward.